Choosing the right battery type for your garage door keypad can make a big difference in convenience and cost. Let's explore the pros and cons of rechargeable and disposable batteries to help you decide. Disposable batteries offer immediate convenience. They are readily available and simple to replace. However, their lifespan is limited, and frequent replacements can be costly and generate waste. Rechargeable batteries, on the other hand, provide long-term savings and are environmentally friendly. They can be reused hundreds of times, significantly reducing your carbon footprint. But they typically have a higher initial cost and require periodic recharge. For garage door keypads, battery life is crucial. You don't want to be locked out unexpectedly. Disposable batteries, especially alkaline, often offer a longer single-use duration. However, rechargeable batteries are becoming more efficient, with some types lasting for months on a single charge. Consider your usage habits. If you use your keypad frequently, rechargeable batteries might be more economical in the long run. If you prefer minimal maintenance and don't mind occasional replacements, disposables are a simple choice. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities, cost, convenience, and environmental impact. Make an informed decision and ensure your garage door keypad is always ready for you.